I'm LP and I'm back with another video. Hey y'all, what's up? Alright y'all, a bitch ain't never been nervous. Like, I'm really nervous. And if you could tell by the title, I'm about to do the Scorpion Chicken Tabasco Challenge. I was challenged and called out by Get Lit with Mo. Alright Mo, you wrong for this one right here. I watched you and the beautiful Rasha Swish, and y'all made me nervous watching y'all. Y'all was cool at first. Then when it got to the end, Mo was looking all crazy, like scared to eat the last wing. Rasha Swisher was getting up, leaving the damn room. Then I heard her say in the bathroom, I heard her say, don't throw it up, please. I'm like, oh God, what it do when you throw it up? And I know me. If it burned bad, I'm the type, I ain't gonna be able to keep that in my system. First of all, I don't really eat hot stuff. I eat hot stuff, but I have high blood pressure, so I gotta, watch, how much hot stuff I eat and how hot it is. Like, I'm like, wow, I already know this is gonna take me out. But as you can see, I got milk, I got me some tea, some Pepsi and Cola, I got ice cream. I ain't do water. I think water makes stuff extra hot, so I ain't really want to do water. So this challenge is by xtina grubs. Like, I don't know her, but I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna subscribe to her channel. You already know Get Lit with Mo. The ones that don't, go over to her channel. I'm gonna subscribe. I'm gonna put her name at the bottom of the video or whatever. And I need y'all to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell so when I'm dropping my videos. Y'all can be right here with me. Y'all, please bear with me. If I quit, don't be sitting up there mad or whatever, because I don't know how this video gonna go. But I'm gonna try my best. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. Okay. The hot sauce not open yet. You can still see the seal. I'm about to break the seal on it. Okay. Oh, y'all see me get back some. Oh, I'm so nervous. I wanted y'all to see the chicken more so than me. Alright. Oh, I'm so nervous. Ranch, y'all, hold on. Alright, I grabbed some chicken filet sauce and some ranch. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know. I don't even like the taste of them. Y'all, I did the 12 wing thing. Yeah, I did that with one wing. Damn. Alright. I ain't going a whole lot, but y'all see I'm putting on in this shit hot. It's like an ice cream on the damn wing. Oh my God, you gotta hear something on here. I did this, I can put a coat on my stomach. Get Lit with Mo. Girl, ooh. I don't know, y'all. Seriously, I don't know. I know I'm gonna tap out. Cause I'm just watching this to make sure I don't start feeling funny as far as my pressure. I don't know. I eat hot stuff, but it ain't this damn hot. Oh.
This is the Davis official music video.
Damn, how did y'all do 6 whole wings? How? Oh my God. I don't know. Woo. I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna try. I don't know, Pop. I'm trying. This is hot. God, it's hot. Woo. I ain't even called out my people. I just did that first. Oh, my God. Watch the switcher said the sauce don't matter with sauce. He ain't lying about that. You can put sauce all over it, it still don't help. I'm thinking chicken filet sauce is so sweet to help. Dancing on help. Oh God. Follow it, y'all. No running. She got me saying, oh God. Then when this video dragging on too long, I gotta speed the hell up. This morning time. For those that don't know, I live in Chester. It's like 10 a.m. I really got up and fried these chicken wings at like 8 o'clock in the morning for the video. Then I just start feeling weird, like nervous. When I was watching Good Look with Marr on video, they made me nervous. When the video first came on, they was talking about how Rossa Swisher was watching all the videos or whatever. Like, that shit make me nervous. I ain't even want to sit here in front. I'm up nervous this morning. Oh God. I'm going to see y'all pray. I said my own. Alright. Damn, I ain't eat but 3. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh God. This don't make no sense. Yeah. God, please. Let me try the red
shit. Then I turn they can't wipe no bitch. Excuse my friend, don't like no bitch. Limo 10 on find my car. Yeah, I had to hurt. My bitch broke down, I had to hurt. Yeah, that's right. 2 times AP, I'm buzzed.
I'll be like,
here from her east.
that ain't my music.
Wow, nothing on me from sex. Oh, niggas.
I'm sorry, y'all, but I don't know whose music that was playing in the background. I played my son the music by Marvelous Beats. Hey. Okay. I don't know. There's a lot left. The ranch. Good ass chicken. So I'll fall the hell out. Make sure y'all check on me. I'm interested. It's not funny though. Mo knew I was gonna do this shit. She knew it. All them other people she called out, y'all better what? Y'all better do the shit. Well, I still got, I still can talk. I'm gonna go ahead and call out my people. I'm gonna keep going, but I'm gonna call out my people. I'm gonna give a shout out, like I said, to Get Lit with Mel for challenging me. And I'm also gonna go over to xtina Grubs channel, and I'm gonna support her. I'm subscribe to her channel. The first person I'm gonna call out in this challenge is gonna be at Lady Shan B, her channel. Then I'm gonna call Tay B out again, Tay Queen, I mean. Because she will do the challenge. I'm going to call her out and see how she does. And then I'm going to do Destiny Marr. And Destiny Marr, she got a pretty good channel. So I was only going to do 3, but I'm going to add in one more. And that's King Tip Wavy. I ain't seen him. I'm like, where you at, King Tip Wavy? You hiding? You hiding? And he do all hot challenges. So I know he going to be down with this one. All right, so that's who I call out for us, who I want to do the challenge. All right, y'all, come on. Let me try. All right. Ooh, the ranch, I don't know why I made it a little bit better. Oh shit, I didn't even put the hot sauce on it, y'all. Then I'm cheating. I ain't cheating, but oh God, that's what I get. Look. Oh God, I didn't mean to put that much. Oh, shit. I feel like it. I don't drink milk. When I tell y'all I can't have milk, but I have a sinus infection sometimes. And it ain't nothing like trying to get rid of all that dairy and shit you put in your body. Milk is one of the worst things. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all proud of me. I did 6. Alright. Oh my goodness. Please be with me, Father. Please be with me. Well, I'll be right back. I'm going to go put some more sounds on. That's the only thing I've seen to be relaxing me. That's why I was. I'll be there. Woo! I'm back. I had to find me some music. No, that's not right. Come on, go fast. Alright. Alright, I had to find me some music. Ice cream. Yeah. I want to sit in the milk. Yeah, I'm sorry. Alright, it's coming on now. I can't do the ice cream. I can't do the ice cream. I just can't. Damn! Ah! Oh, I know just how you feel. Basically, I got 2 wings and a half left. Oh my God! Damn. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna get some paper towel. I don't know. I don't think I could go further. I don't know. I keep saying I don't know, but I really don't know. I'm really about to stop here, because I got to think about my pressure, y'all. But you know what? It was a fun challenge, and I ain't going no further. I'll be crazy. But anyway, I already called out my people. I wish y'all good luck. If y'all can do this. But anyway, if you like my video, you know I ain't make it to the end. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so when I'm dropping my video, y'all can be right here with me. Guess what, y'all? I'm gonna catch y'all in my next video. Guess what, y'all? At least I tried it. Peace.